Welcome friends in this video. So today video we are looking the hammer drill. So we can see here there is any hammer drill wattage of 1050, that is we can say 1050 watt. So as we know in our solar technology there is any need of digging in the soil, or we can say on our rooftop, for the mountation of structure, that is we can say mi structure, mild steel column and purlin, all these. So that's why we required hammer drill. So here we are going to introduce rotary hammer EPE 2610, and the brand is Electropower. So right now we are going to unbox this product so you can understand the parameters of this product. So actually we have no any camera operator, so that's why. But within a days we are going to actually the load of this product is pretty much bulky. So there is no any excessive information on this board, on this pack. Just simply 1050, we can say 1050 watt is the wattage of this hammer drill. And another information may be present in this case, we can say case, much bulky, we can say. Simply just, so this is any hammer drill. So this is actually bill. This is a bit. Actually this bit is for drilling in wall, cement wall, we can say cement wall. So right now we have manual Electropower rotary hammer 26 mm. Actually 26 mm hammer drill present in 20 mm, also 26 mm. So this is any instruction manual. You can read this instruction for the operation. And there is any function, second, third, operation instruction. Means if you read this manual, you can getting overall idea how we can manage, how we can drive this tool for our digging operation. So okay. So right now there is any, I don't know what is this, but I think so this is any for sharpening our bit. Yes, I think so. This is any, we can say, file. Yes, this is any file. So we can just simply rub this file on our bit, and I think so bit. Yes, really I have no idea about this. Okay, so this is any connector. For drilling in wall. If you need to digging in concrete, then no need this extension. Simply just put in this we can say this bit and go. And make your digging where you want. So there is any bit, types of bit, 1, 2, 3 and 4, total 4. So actually we have no time because we don't need we don't accept duration of video about 10 minutes. So that's why this is any bit. We have no idea what is the number of bit. I think so this is any 9 number bit, 9. Okay, 9, 9a, 9a. Okay, this is any first. Actually we have no operator, so that's why. Okay, this is in second and third, and this is again fourth. And I think so company gives 4 bits for the operation of digging in concrete. So now we can see as per the capacity of this we can say bit. This is any bit for drilling, or you want whatever you want on the wall or concrete. You can simply just use this bit and go for your operation like digging or anything. So we have 6a and 10a. Also we have another 2. Right now we can, yes. So this is any 4 bits, this blade, this type, this type, this type. So this is any 4. And right now we have gun, that is electro power EPE 2601. There is any switch, or we can say selector, for the torque purpose or any other purpose. So we are going to plug in the power. But we have no supply on these decks, so that's why. Okay, nothing issue. We are going to put, actually the load of this gun is pretty much we cannot handle in a single hand because due to load. Okay, the duration of video is going to large, so that's why. Okay, let's go on. Next deck, there is any supply for the operation. So here is a supply. Simply we need to check. Just simply, and you can check. Yes, actually we need operator. Okay, so this is any gun. Okay, thanks for watching. I think so this video not proper because we need any video recorder. We can say video recorder assistant, so that's why we cannot record in a proper manner, so that's why. Okay, thanks for watching this video. This video is sponsored by Till General Research Laboratory. Thanks for watching.